Avalon A5. Avalon A5 Review. Best Bottleless Water Dispenser. The Avalon A5 Bottleless Water Dispenser is impressive. It arrives with detailed instructions and illustrations for starters, plus a complete installation kit to instantly get fresh, pure hot and cold water flowing for cooking and drinking. Avalon A5 uses a dual filtration system. First, water flows through the sediment filter to remove dust, dirt, silt, and clay. Next, the carbon block filter removes pollutants and chemicals, plus metals such as lead. Each filter lasts approximately 6 months, or filters up to 1,500 gallons. Avalon 5 also features a unique 3-temperature setting. Customize every drinking experience. The water temperature output is instant and consistent from the refreshing crisp cool setting to cool or piping hot for the best cup of tea. Never worry about expensive cleaning maintenance costs or downtime. A5's self-cleaning Ozone feature constantly works to sanitize and purify the dispenser. Between uses, you don't have to worry about harmful germs and bacteria accumulation. Need a drink of water in the middle of the night? A built-in nightlight near the water spout makes it easy to dispense, and the Replace Filter Indicator light lets you know when it's time for a filter replacement. Avalon A5 is UL Energy Star approved. It has a dependable child safety hot water lock. Its easy installation and ease of use make the Avalon A5 the best bottleless water dispenser. A5 is an attractive all-stainless steel standalone model, weighs 44 pounds, and measures 13 by 12 by 41 inches. Warranty: 30-day risk-free. Love it or return it, plus a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros: helpful and knowledgeable customer support. Self-cleaning Ozone filter indicator light. Efficient and dependable filtration. Cons: no reverse osmosis filtration, dispenser and compatible filter issues, slow refill rate.